Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will discuss about AutoCAD Civil 3D interface. When we open the software, then we can see the AutoCAD Civil 3D interface for the very first time, kind of this. Here we have three sections. We can see here, this is our first section, and here we have the recent, the second section, and here we have another section which is called announcement. In the first section, we can see we can open any drawing from here, or we can open any sheet, or we can explore any drawing from here. And also we have some custom templates which is provided by the software Autodesk Civil 3D. This is AutoCAD 3D Civil 3D metric template. You can browse any template from here, whatever you want. You can easily find any template from here. AutoCAD 3D, this all template have a custom settings like unit and other interface custom settings available. If you want to use, you can use any kind of template it from here easily. Also, you can create a sheet from here. If you want, you can create any sheet from here. If you want to get more template online, you can easily get it from here. And this is our recent second section. Any drawing which you recently opened this morning or last week, anytime you open the recent drawings, you can see all the drawings here very easy. So you can also change the layout from here. If you want a smaller icon, you can change it from here very easily. So if you check it here, here is your drawing name, and if you click here on this small display icon, you can see your drawing location from here, and here you can see the date, time, and which time you open. If you want to pin any kind of drawing, you can pin it. It will be on the top. If you want few drawings to pin, you can pin it from here. So this pinned drawings will be always on the top. So you can just make it bigger like this display. You can easily open kind of this. So here we have the third section which is called announcement. Here you have the Autodesk products announcement, and here you can connect your Autodesk account. You can sign in or you can create your new account very easily from here. And here at the end you can send any feedback about any product for the improvement or any positive review. You can send it from here. So this is the basic view. If we click and open, the custom template will open. Here is our tab. If you click on the plus, it will be open the custom template. So once we click, we can see all the display kind of this. We will explain here the main display, and later we will dig deeper and the upcoming tutorials, all option one by one. So first of all, this is our application menu. Once we click, we have this application menu. We will dig it deeper later in upcoming tutorial. And next we have here shortcut keys, shortcut options which we can use. Here this is the save, or you can open, you can save as, you can open as a mobile web, you can print. Some this advanced option is here which is also available here in this application menu. And here we can see we have this option drafting and annotation, 3D modeling, planning and analysis, save code as, workspace setting, and customization. So we have all these options. If you want to use as a normal AutoCAD, we can use this drafting and annotation. And here we have the 3D modeling, and here we have planning and analysis which is related to the planning purpose. Okay, this is our ribbon. And here we can see here we have different type of toolbars, and also you can click here insert, home, annotate, modify, analyze, view, manage, output, survey, rail, transparent, infowork, calibrate. So this all option we will explain. And if you click on this small arrow, small icon, you can open a show menu bar from here. Once you click the same toolbar, you can find here. If you click here, you can see all the toolbar is available here in this menu, but we don't need to use because everything is available in this down toolbars. If you want to use, you can use even this all things option is available here in this one. So let me hide this from here. Hide menu bar, you can hide and show it from here. And if you want to use anything here, you can want to show from here, you can off any option from here. New open save here, new open save, and open mobile web is this one. This all option is okay. If you want to click, it will be disappear. If you want to show it again, it will be show here, okay, easily. So let me off the menu, hide menu bar from here. I off it from here, and now we have this toolbar. For example, the main toolbar which we are commonly using in AutoCAD Civil 3D is called Draw toolbar and Modify toolbar. So here, this is your toolbar. If you want to pin the toolbar, you can click it, so it will be pinned. If you want to return the toolbar, just click this one and it will return easily once you click here. So this is the very good option. If you want to pin, so it will be pin. You can use any command from here very easily. The first, you can see it from here, the palettes, okay, and here is you can see the points and survey data options from here. And here we have the create design option, and here you can see we have the draw toolbar, here we have modify toolbar, here we have the layer toolbar, so we can use it from here very easily. So during the work, if you need any toolbar here in the drawing, you can just click here and you can drag it here. So during the work, you can use here, just select command from here, line, and you can use easily from here. Once you complete the work, you can return it from here. You can just click here and click on this option and you can just easily return it from here, okay. So once you click, return panel to the ribbon. Once you click, it will return. So same kind of this, you can bring the modify toolbar from here. You can bring few draw toolbar. You can bring another toolbar. So easily you can use it from here. So if you want to return the toolbar, just click it from here and click it from here and click it from here. So it will be easily returned to the on place. So this about the toolbar and ribbons. And once we click here on the insert option, you can easily insert and import any kind of drawings, anything, any attachment, you can easily insert from here very easily. And the next is the annotate option. Here we have the text option, standard sizes, each and everything about the text. And here we have the center mark, center line, center mark, multi-headers, and each and other option is available here very easily. And here we have the modify toolbar, which we explained already, and here we have the analyze. You can see the analyze. Here is the survey option, here is the volume dash report, grading volume tools, each takeoff quantities, each inquiry tools. This is the important about the inquiry tool. We will discuss with dig deeper in upcoming videos. And here we have the dimensions command sum, which we can easily make the distance, area, and here is the properties, here is the list of slope, each and everything we can just discuss it from here. And here we have a quick calculator. If you need quick calculator, you can use it from here very easily. The next is the view. Here we have the view option. From the view option, we can turn on and turn off some things. For example, we have here the UCS icon, we have here the view keep, we have here the navigation bar. We can easily turn on and turn off from here. Okay, so this is the view option. And the next, if we go to the manage, from here we can import, we can see the create data shortcut, new shortcut folders, set shortcut folder. You can create any shortcut of anything. And here we have the import, and here also have some other option which you can edit the visual Lisp commands. You can upload, you can load any application which is related to work in the AutoCAD Civil 3D. You can load it from here very easily. For example, in a Lisp, you can upload from this option. And here is the output. If you want to create sheets, you can create sheets. You can create view frames. You can plot, batch plot, view each and everything. Here is the survey option. If you want to create a survey database or each and everything, network properties, figure properties, survey query, you can do it from here very easily. Here is the rail, about the railway lines and each and everything. And here is transparent command, which we also can see. And this right hand side, we have the transparent commands which you're using during the drawings to make it our work easy and quick. Here is the info work. If you want to connect or exchange or export and import any product with the info, you can just easily launch from here. You can just extend settings, you can just import and export some files. Here is the collaborate. You can see the share drawings, share view, DWG compare, publish surface, publish to ArcGIS. You can do it from here. Here is the help. If you need any kind of help, you can use this. Add-ins, you can see this. This is the some options: save word, attach image, auto reference, app manager. You can use it. And here is the feather app. You can see it from here, connected to the app store, model point. Here is the some options which you can use the products and these things. Here is the express tools. You can see the express tools: explore attribute, list property, import attribute, export attribute. You can easily export and import any attribute from here, convert to mtext, auto numbers. You can use these commands and option to make your work fast. So this is the some basic things which need to discuss about these main issues. And also, if we come to this, if you want a bigger space, you can easily make it from here, minimize. You can see that it's minimized. If you click again, you can make it minimize. If you click again, so it will be like this. So these two arrows you can use to minimize and explore the ribbon and toolbars easily. So click again, it will disappear. Click again, it will be like this. So you can just easily use from here, but your area will be bigger. Here, insert, annotate, each and everything is here. Once you click your cursor here, you will see all the option from here. So here also you can use this minimize to tab, minimize panel title, minimize to panel buttons, cycle. All this option you can use it from here. So just click here. Okay, you can just do it from here. You can do easily from this option. This is our home option. Now we have on the good display option. And now let me explain about the tool palace. If you click on this tool palace, it will be disappeared. Here we have this tool palace, and the tool palace we have prospector, settings, survey, and tool box. So we will dig deeper these things in upcoming tutorials. And in the view, you can see here the keep view, which navigate us to the north, east, west, or south here. And here we have WCS, its mean world coordinate system. And here we have the navigation bar, which we can navigate, zoom in, zoom out, rotate, or anything, play, or these options we have here. Show motion, we can use these things. And here we can see this is the transparent commands. You can see it from here. You can even move to here where you want to place. You can easily move from one place to another place very easily. So all this you can use during the work. And next we can see here, this is our options. We can see which we are using during the 3D work. This is our view. You can see top, bottom, left, right, back, which we are using during the 3D work. And if we go to the bottom, it's very important option here. We can see this option. The first of all main option, we have the command bar. So which we are using to use any command. We can give any command from here. You can see it will be give you the more option about the command. Even you can click it here, your command. If you want to click, it will make it here from here command. Here we have the option. The first is the model and the next is the layout. Even you can include any layout from here. If you can import or export any layout from here, if you right click, you can see different type of option. New layout, from template, select layout, page setting, setup manager, drafting standard setup. You can do it. If you want to do page setup, you can easily do the page setup for your layout easily here. And here down we have the status bar. Okay, this is called the status bar. On the status bar we have some toggle keys which we are using during the drawings. Okay, if any kind of toggle keys is off, you can open it from these three dots. All the option and toggle keys is available. And here we have the scale option. We can scale our drawings, and here we have some settings options. So if you click here, you will see the list for the toggle keys. Any toggle keys is off, you can turn on and turn off easily from this list. Okay, and here if you see here, we have this option. Okay, if you see your AutoCAD kind of this, you can clean screen like this, and you can again clean screen off and clean screen on easily. Control+0, you can even use it from here for this one shortcut key. And here you can select the scale, any kind of scale you can select. And here we have some the settings. You can see even the drafting annotation, 3D modeling, planning analysis, save count, same as it is, which is available here. This option is also available in these settings. You can see it from here. Okay, so these are toggle keys about the grids, dotted models we will explain with very details. So I hope this is helpful. We will see in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.